A sinus infection is a condition that is characterized by inflammation or swelling of the tissue lining the sinuses. It is wise to see a doctor if your symptoms persist even after a week of trying these sinusitis home remedies. 1. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a powerful remedy for sinusitis, as long as you can withstand the heat. If you want to relieve sinus pressure fast and reduce inflammation, this red chili is the answer. It helps clear the nasal passages rapidly and reduces sinus swelling. 2. Garlic. Garlic is particularly beneficial when bacteria are the cause of the infection. Add fresh garlic cloves to your soups, meals, or smoothies for quick relief. You can also add them to boiling water and inhale the steam of the garlic-infused water once a day until the sinusitis clears. 3. Apple cider vinegar. This vinegar is said to be really effective in treating sinusitis. What you need to do is to mix this apple cider vinegar in warm water and add honey. You may drink it or inhale steam. 4. Carrot juice. Drinking this juice on a daily basis for a period of at least 1 month can help in treating sinusitis. In order to get the best results out of this solution, you should consider drinking it in the morning. 5. Grapeseed extract. The liquid form of this extract is one of the most effective home remedies for a sinus infection because you can just simply drop this into your nose to get rid of the problem. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.